Hey booze, it's time to get down with my winner chicken and dumplings dinner. Yep, that's right, y'all. This is the best chicken and dumplings dinner you will find on the web. It's award winning. It has beaten all types of chicken and dumplings on the web, y'all. So y'all know I'm telling y'all the truth. It starts with my homemade, flavorful, thick broth. It's packed with veggies. We get that nice buttery feeling that just goes through and permeates the entire dish. Then I thicken up that sauce. We got to make sure that it's really luscious and creamy. And so I like to use a nice stock and flavor it a little bit more too if I can. Now, what I want to do is I want to actually make this dish a little easier, because if you want to make this during the week, I've made that easy for you by using rotisserie chicken, y'all. Because who got time to roast a whole chicken? I know I don't. Finally, we get into these buttermilk infused dumplings. Yes, buttermilk. It makes them so, oh my gosh, rich and tangy and just so tender too. Look at that. And when you plop them into that incredible sauce, it just soaks it all in. They puff up to perfection, and y'all are gonna love this. I'm telling you right now, this is a dish you are going to want to make even if it ain't cold outside, okay? This is comfort food at its best. I feel like this dish is a big old hug in a bowl. That's how I would describe it. It's Southern soul with my grandbaby twist, you know? I want y'all to get at this recipe and stay sweet, grandbabies, because once you have a bite, you will never try another chicken and dumplings recipe again.